Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold here. In this video, I'm going to go over how to activate conversion tracking for Shopify Plus stores in Bold Upsell. On November 7th, 2023, the checkout extensibility feature was released to all Shopify Plus plan users. As a result, this has caused Bold Upsell to no longer successfully track conversions for most offer types without the use of a web pixel. To activate the web pixel that is required to track conversions, click Activate Web Pixel Now in the banner at the top of the page within the Bold Upsell admin. After clicking this button, you are directed to a Data Access Request page. Click Update to allow Bold Upsell to add the required web pixel to your store. Once you click Update, you are brought back to the Bold Upsell admin. Going forward, all conversions will be tracked for all offer types available in Bold Upsell. And that's all there is to it. For more assistance on Bold Upsell, please visit our help center at supports.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.